Hello friends, today what I want to show you is something called Hidden Treasure Rattles. Now the cool thing is, of course, it's a music craft, so you can play it for free music time in any way you want with any music you want. But what I want to show you is when you play it, I've hidden things inside of it. And as you stop and play, like for instance, you're going to see a bead and a seed and a different button that's in the shape of a pine tree. So the fun thing about this is you can start as a sensory craft. You get to pour something that looks like maybe it was on the beach, and a little hard to see here. Aha, there you go. You can see I've got seashells, I've got broken pieces of jewelry, there's a pearl in there. All these things are really fun, and as you play and stop, it stops to different items. And that's a fun way you can play with the kids. Now, can you use any container? Let me show you. You can use really any clear, clean, recycled container, even something like this, which is large. So I really love to use this with special needs kids, because get the one that's perfect for holding for them or perfect for holding for them. It is not loud, so you can play it in all kinds of ways. They're super quiet, and you can really enjoy making very personal. A while ago, I had a student that loved bugs, so I found plastic bugs, and I put them in with my rainbow rices in this one. And then we would play, sing the song, and stop. And then he would tell me what bugs he saw. And that's just such a cool way to work back and forth with your child, playing a song, playing music, doing kind of a musical chairs. When the music stops, your rattle stops, and you get to say, ah, I see a button. Oh, and this one, check this out. Can you see it? It's Sandy the squirrel from SpongeBob. So you can kind of have fun with it. And here's the song I was thinking that you could do with it. Let me find the right rattle. Yeah, here we go. The pirate ship sailed without a sound. When it left the beach, this is what I found. I found a button, I found a coin, I found a penny, and I found a pine tree. Which is a little weird, but that's what I found. Now, if you look below, I'm going to send you a link so you can do this activity to the song. Make up your own song. I'll go a little longer with something like this. Over the waves and over the sea, a mighty ship is sailing to me. The mighty ship sailed without a sound. It left the beach. This is what I found. Sandy the squirrel. Oops. Sorry, you can't see her well, but it was Sandy the squirrel that I found. So this is a ton of fun. Look for the link to the activity. Do multiple ones. Work with your nonverbal kids, and what they can do instead is point to things and tell you if they like it or if they don't. You can just use this basic idea and create from there. It's a ton of fun. And I'll also be working on the directions for rainbow rice, which you probably have, but it's super easy and they'll be in the activity. Enjoy playing music with your child. These will be the moments they totally remember.